this fish.
One pull hard.
Get him, Courtney. Oh yeah. He's a good sized puppy. Yeah!
Run up, run up.
Get it, girl. It don't matter, just hang on. Let's get another jump.